Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, so apologies for that. Many thanks to Rob Forrest for providing the footage for this one that sees us heading northwest on the A515 towards Buxton. We're about to make our first turning. It's off to the right at the crossroads and it's signposted Cowdale and King Sterndale. And here's that turning coming up now. Once you've made the turn, follow the road for around half a mile. It's worth noting that although this site is quite close to the A6, you can't reach it directly from that road. You have to arrive via this route. After half a mile, fork right at that clump of trees there, it's signposted King Sterndale. Follow this road for approximately 1 mile until you reach the village. Once the red telephone box comes into view, you're getting very close. Continue to follow the road and as it bears round to the right, carry straight on down the track ahead. And here we are. This is a non-electric site that's open all year round and you're just 3 miles from Buxton, and of course the Monsall Trail is close by too. Thanks again to Rob for the footage and to you two for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.